Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this a small video about Bitcoin. So let's get started. I made the chart in 2022, June 2022, and this was the chart. I was tracking all the way to the downside, and then I said one must stay above 19,000, and right there, and it's supposed to be going up, and then from there on to the upside. And then I stopped tracking this Bitcoin and got busy with gold, oil, and other, forex pairs. Now I'm coming back to this Bitcoin and Ethereum and all of that cryptos, right? They are moving nicely again. So I decided to come back, especially because of my son. So he's very interested in those things. So I'm gonna do the analysis and then make videos and post on my website. So you can just go there and then take the insight and updated versions of all of these cryptos, right? So now this was the chart. You can see the date, June 22, right? Not last year, the year before that. So what happened to this? So it's start to go up, and then it made a wave 1, 2. The next chart I made last week. Last week, the chart I made was this. When I decided to come back, and then I made saw a nice Elliott wave counts, which is wave 1, 2, A, B, C correction. Then I said it's going up for wave 3 into this area. The channel hit this high here, and then 161%. Usually, that is the calculation for wave 3, right? So what happened to this chart so far? Let's see, this happened. So I went up and hit that, poke into that area, and then start pulling back. So I said, okay, now if this is wave 3 finished, then we're supposed to be having a wave 4. Wave 4 is usually 38% of wave 3, which is starting from here to here. So for that, I made this chart right now. Let me show you here. Then this is the chart I made. So it's a start to pull back from the same area, right? 185. And I said, okay, it's going to come down here for wave A, then B, then C, something like that. The wave 4 is always very complicated, very complex, unpredictable, and untradable. So just watch. That's it. So it's going to unfold here, maybe this way, zigzag, maybe a flat correction, maybe a triangle, God knows. It's a very, very nasty wave to be in. So one should avoid it. So I'm going to just sit tight and then stay outside and then watch. So this is how it goes usually. Wave 1, 2, 3, and ABC wave 4, 38% of this. Wave 3, which is right there, right? So once this is finished, then this thing will start to bounce. And then we'll go for wave 5, just like here. Wave 5 is usually 0.618 of wave 3. So we will see wherever it starts from here, whatever, right? So we'll measure that, but usually it is the extension to 127 of wave 4. Wave 4 extension 127 or 0.618 of wave 3. So either way, I'm going to be tracking that and to be updated on this Bitcoin and other crypto. Just visit my website and you will see there, right? I forgot to type my website name here. But you all know that, my Forest Magic Way. No, sorry, I'm creativetradingsystems.com, creativetradingsystems.com. One of these charts will have that. None of these charts have that. Oh, here, this one, right? So creativetradingsystems.com, right? So this is my website. So you go there and then you will find updates on definitely, Forex pairs and indexes and all of that, plus indices, but the Bitcoin as well. All right. So this is it for now. Just wanted to show you guys that this is what's happening with Bitcoin. And next video, I'm probably going to make for Ethereum. And let's see. All right. So bye for now and talk to you guys later. And if you like what you saw and you want to get my videos on time, just go on my website and subscribe so you can get my videos on time as soon as I upload them. All right. Usually, you will find in my videos very good trade setups. Okay. So bye for now and talk to you guys later.